Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. Linen Luv is here. Welcome, lovelies. This is my outfit. This I feel so good and comfortable in. It's my style, let's put it that way. I love the color combination of an oatmeal and black. I find it very artsy. You can do so many things with this as in accessories. We kept it quite simple with the beautiful necklace from Pursuit. And her earrings, her dainty, gorgeous little earrings, and then a beautiful bracelet and ring from Cleo. A little bit about Linen Luv. It's this beautiful line from Italy. I find their designs very distinctive with an artsy look to it. The linen is beautiful. It is a lighter weight of linen. If you are used to the creases and the cut loose linens, a little bit heavier, but this is a beautiful light summer linen. Really nice weight to it. It's got a quirkiness too, like if you just look at the detail at the bottom of the pants, it's adorable. It's got a little cuff with a button and then a slit and two little tucks and two little buttons. Elastic waist, and it has two slit pockets, nice big pockets. It's a little balloony, right? It's got some weight to it. So I'm wearing a small. The sizes in this line start with a small and they go up to an XXL, and the small is perfect for me, fits me great. First of all, the top I'm wearing from Osai & Co, the little black basic top that we have in the off-white and the black, amazing. And then the jacket, of course, is the Cat's Meow, right? This color with little faded black polka dots, cute little pockets, great little V9 neckline. Not too oversized, but a little boxy, right? One of the pictures I have the sleeves rolled and it's a thick cuff here. And now I fold them and I have a nice quarter sleeve. Love. I think I'm gonna take this jacket home. I absolutely love it. I would wear this with white too, actually. This would go great with white. And how nice would this look on a tank dress, or black tank dress? Oh my goodness. Really, really adorable. This necklace I also cannot say enough about. I have to come back to the jewelry because I find this so exquisite, and this is really distinctive and unique and artsy, all these words in one. Her cording is very fine, you know, everything is very fine. And then she's got these beautiful beads and it looks heavy, but it's not heavy at all. Then this really interesting piece in the middle here, and that she brought back with the earrings, mimicking this design of this bead. Okay. The Luv linen line has a lot of pieces and we're going to show it to you all. These are some of the jackets. I'm going to put on the white jacket to show you what a cute fit this is. Really cute jacket. I'll be back. Okay, lovelies, here I am with the cutest little white jacket. I absolutely think it's adorable. And this is definitely a short boxy jacket. It goes short in the back and then it comes out into a pointy. The edges are frayed. It's adorable. The lines too are really lovely in the back as well, right? Really fitted, and a nice quarter sleeve. Cute little wooden buttons. Just a really nice cover up that you can, my goodness, wear with so many things in your wardrobe. Okay, I'm going to put on a new pair of pants and show you a different look. Okay, lovelies, here I am. I've changed the pants and I've got this very funky pair on. I love it. It's the length is great, the detail on the side. Look how adorable. It's got two big eyelets and this cross grain ribbon through it, and the cross grain is also to the waist, so it's got a lot of detail actually, this pant. Nice elastic waist, two nice slit pockets, beautiful linen with a stripe going through it that matches this top. This is like an indigo blue, I would say, a muted. By the way, all the dyes are natural. They only use natural dyes, and so it really comes through. It's a quality product. This is the same top, right, in the white, so you can see how it's a little bit shorter in the front, a little bit lower in the back. It's got these finishes of the t-shirt fabric, which is really nice. Then different, this is a linen, this is a bit of a wider weave of linen. And again, the t-shirt fabric coming back around the neckline. Cute little yoke here and a cute little pleat. And I really love these sleeves. I think these sleeves are so flattering. Short little cap sleeve with a little bit of a cuff. I did a French tuck for the first time. I didn't know how to do a French tuck, but now we know. You just take your shirt and you tuck it in the side, or you tuck it in the front and you let it go like this. So I like this look because I found it was a little too boxy for me. I'm not that tall. And so this makes you a little bit proportionately better. As you can see, this would be amazing too, right? With these, the little white would be a really fresh look. I have 2 more pants to show you, so I'm going to change. Lovelies, here I am. I am here with the white pants from Love Linen. Same design as the black ones, with the cutest little, it even shows more here with the white. The cuff and the little button, and then the little pleats with the buttons. Great flowy pants, great light linen. Love linen, I love it. Anyway, what about these tops? This is my color, of course, the oatmeal. This is a softer oatmeal. This top is very interesting. It's got an applique here, and underneath is a fabric with polka dots, and then the frayed on top. Really unique. And I love this little swagger. I would call it a swagger jacket. Or, you know, it's this flowy, lovely design. It's got a shawl collar, quarter sleeves, really nice flow to it, nice length too. Like, I love this length in the back, and then it goes a little bit longer in the front, right? So great light summer cover up. We have all these other colors. I love this. This is a true indigo blue, I find. And here the detail comes really out with the white polka dots underneath the applique with the frayed etching. Again, this t-shirt fabric is the curled hem, same at the neckline, same at the sleeves. And this comes in this gorgeous fuchsia. Both these, look at this, wow. And look at this one, wow. With the white pants, right? And then there's also an indigo jacket going with this indigo top. And so this whole drop of Love Linen is a huge combination, all kinds of possibilities, right? A combo. If you would only want to invest in a pair of pants, you buy the pair of pants, the white, the black, or the striped one. And then you can mix match with so many tops. It's endless. Lovelies, we're not done yet. I have one more outfit, and it's, yeah, I'm very happy in that outfit, so I'll show you. Lovelies, look at this outfit. Gray pants, gorgeous top, artsy, funky, just amazing. I can't say enough about this outfit. I love the subdued gray. It's like a cement gray, and I love the design of the print. The design of the whole top is fantastic. It's got a great length, it's got big slits, it's got nice pockets, and then this collar, I've had a weakness for these type of collars, always. I find it so attractive. Then you can wear big chunky earrings or little earrings. If you want a little necklace in here, but I would keep it simple. Nice arms cut out, and back pretty simple, but you know, great length. So this wraps up this quite extensive drop of Linen Luv. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a lot of inspiration for beautiful linen summer outfits, and you know where to find us on the website. And please like and subscribe us, and as always, keep on smiling.